Modern real estate practice. Page 93 continued. The condominium laws passed in all states require that a registered land surveyor prepare a plat map that shows the elevations of floor and ceiling surfaces and the Page 94. Vertical boundaries of each unit with reference to an official datum, which means it's discussed in the next section. A unit's floor, for instance, might be 60 feet above the datum and its ceiling 69 feet. Typically, a separate plat is prepared for each floor in the condominium building. The following is an example of the legal description of a condominium apartment unit that includes a fractional share of the common elements of the building and land. Unit level as delineated on survey of the following described parcel of real estate, hereinafter referred to as development parcel. The north 99 feet of the west half of Block 4, except that part, if any, taken and used for street. In Sutton's Division Number 5 in the east half of the southeast 1/4 of Section 24, Township 3 South, Range 68 west of the 6th Principal Meridian in Denver County, Colorado, which survey is attached as Exhibit A to declaration made by Colorado National Bank as trustee under trust number 1250, recorded in the Recorder's Office of Denver County, Colorado as document number 475637, together with an undivided blank percentage interest in said development parcel, accepting from said development parcel all the property and space comprising all the units thereof as defined and set forth in said declaration and survey. Subsurface rights can be legally described in the same manner as air rights, but they are measured below the datum rather than above it. Subsurface rights are used not only for coal mining, petroleum drilling, and utility line location, but also for multi-story condominiums, both residential and commercial, that have several floors below ground level. Datum. A datum is a point, line, or surface from which elevations are measured or indicated. For the purpose of the United States Geological Survey, USGS, datum is defined as the mean sea level at New York Harbor, but virtually all large cities have local official datum that is used instead of the USGS datum. A surveyor would use a datum in determining the height of a structure or establishing the grade of a street. USGS has information on a variety of climate, land use, and environmental issues, as well as a state site locator, www.usgs.gov. Monuments. Monuments are traditionally used to mark surface measurements between points. A monument could be a marker set in concrete, a piece of steel reinforcing rebar, a metal pipe driven into the soil, or simply a wooden stake stuck in the dirt, because such items are subject to the whims of nature and vandals. Their accuracy is sometimes suspect, As a result, surveyors rely mostly heavily on benchmarks to mark their work accurately and permanently. Benchmarks are monuments that have been established as permanent reference points throughout the United States. They are usually embossed brass markers set into solid concrete or asphalt bases. While used to some degree for surface measurements, the principal reference use is for marking datums. www.usgs.gov